In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a FigJam file. Whether you're collaborating with your team or gathering feedback from stakeholders, sharing a FigJam board takes just a moment once you know where everything lives. Start by opening FigJam in your browser or desktop app and head to your file browser. On the left sidebar, you'll see navigation options. Click Recents to quickly find boards you've been working on. Recents is great for anything you've touched recently. If you don't spot the file there, remember that Drafts holds files you created that aren't in a project yet, and All Projects shows everything organized across your team spaces. For this walkthrough, we'll stick with Recents so it's fast and easy. Find the FigJam board you want to share and click it to open. Once the board is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This opens the Share This Board panel, which is where you control who can access the file and how they can interact with it. You have two simple ways to share from here. If you want a link you can drop into chat, email, or a task, click Copy Link. After you copy it, paste it wherever your collaborators are. Before you send it, take a quick look at the access settings in the panel. Choose the permission that matches your goal, view for feedback only, comment for lightweight collaboration, or edit if people need to contribute directly on the board. When sharing widely, keeping it to view or comment helps protect your content. If you prefer to invite specific people, type their email addresses into the field provided, select the permission level you want them to have, and click Invite. This is a good option when your organization limits link sharing or when you want tighter control over who gets in. Consider adding a short message so they know what to do when they open the board. A couple of quick tips to keep sharing smooth. Make sure you're in the correct team or workspace so the right audience can access the board, and double check that the title of the file is clear. This helps collaborators find it later. If someone can't open the link, it's usually a permission setting in that same share panel. And that's it. Open FigJam, navigate to your file in Recents, pick the board, click Share, then either copy the link or invite by email. You're ready to collaborate with confidence.